Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Lenovo docking station external display not working, HDMI, DisplayPort and USB-C fix. Fix 1. Hard reset the docking station. Sometimes connection caches or static power issues prevent the dock from recognizing external displays. So unplug your laptop from the dock. Then unplug the dock's power cable from the wall or power strip and wait for at least 30 seconds. Then reconnect the power cable to the dock first, then plug the dock back into your laptop. Fix 2. Check cable and connections. Simple hardware issues and incorrect ports account for the vast majority of display problems. Verify that all HDMI or DisplayPort cables are firmly seated in both the monitor and the dock. Then test the external monitor by connecting it directly to your laptop's HDMI port to ensure the monitor and cable are actually working. Then ensure you are using certified cables, example DisplayPort 1.4 or HDMI 2.0 plus, as some older cables cannot handle high-speed video signals. Then verify that your USB-C or Thunderbolt cable connecting the dock to your laptop is securely connected and capable of video pass-through. Fix 3. Update graphics driver and dock firmware. Outdated firmware can disrupt the handshake between the laptop, dock, and monitor, leading to a black screen. Launch the Lenovo Vantage app to run a system update, ensuring your BIOS, GPU drivers, and dock firmware are on latest versions. Then go directly to the Lenovo support website and search for your specific dock model to find the latest dedicated docking station drivers and firmware. Step 4. Adjust Windows display settings. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Then scroll down to the Multiple Displays section and click the Detect button to manually force Windows to search for the attached monitors. Then ensure that the drop-down menu for the monitors is set to either extend these displays or duplicate these displays. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.